are making such jibes and such attacks on Rahul Gandhi.
Tyagi ji,
why?
Tyagi ji, you had a point to make. Go ahead.
They are abandoning the Congress party.
Mr. Tyagi, go ahead. आप जो बता रहे थे बताइए. त्यागी जी.
सिंघवी जी, मैं कोई आलोचना के तौर पे नहीं कह रहा हूं, मैं सुझाव के तौर पे कह रहा हूं. इंदिरा गांधी जब आउट ऑफ पावर हो गई थी, बिहार में हमारी सरकार थी, कर्पूरी ठाकुर जी मुख्यमंत्री थे, वहां पे दलितों की किलिंग हुई थी और वो गई थी वहां पे बेलछी में हाथी में बैठ करके. पंडित जवाहरलाल नेहरू आजादी की नायक के सबसे बड़े योद्धा थे. मैं सुधांशु त्रिवेदी जी से भी डिसएग्री करता हूं जो नहीं मानते हैं. वो कमला जी को टीबी हो गई थी, तो एक ब्रीफ टाइम के लिए हॉलिडे लेकर के वो गए थे जेनेवा अपनी पत्नी कमला नेहरू को दिखाने के लिए. तो भाई हम तो जिन परंपराओं से आए हैं, तो यूरोप और अमेरिका में तो अपनी गर्लफ्रेंड को लेकर के भी छुट्टी में जाते हैं. आई एम नॉट एक्यूजिंग राहुल गांधी फॉर दैट, लेकिन वहां अफोर्ड कर सकते हैं. फ्रांस का एक नेता विरोधी दल जब जा रहा था अपनी गर्लफ्रेंड के साथ छुट्टी मनाने, तो प्रेसिडेंट ने कहा डोंट टेल इट टू एनीवन अदरवाइज ही विल स्वीप द पोल. बोले इंडिया में ऐसा नहीं हो सकता है.
त्यागी जी मैं इतना बोलना चाहूंगा. देखिए, आप जो कह रहे हैं उसमें भी सत्य है, लेकिन एक संदर्भ, एक समय भिन्न था. राहुल गांधी से उम्र भिन्न थी. और एक चीज मैं और बता दूं आपको, राहुल गांधी जब जाते हैं, देखिए वो पंचतंत्र की कहानी आप जानते हैं. अगर आप लोगों को कहने के लिए चिंता करेंगे, जब वो जाते थे दलितों के घर पे तब भी टिप्पणी होगी, जब वो छुट्टी पे जाएंगे तब भी टिप्पणी होगी. जब वो जाते थे लगातार 10 वर्ष बिना अवकाश के, कितनी बार गए, तो उस बात की खिल्ली अलग रूप से बनाते हमारे मित्र.
Okay, all right. Dr. Singh, you make your point that he deserves this break. I want to ask Shekhar a larger question over here. Now that he's back in the country, does he have it in him to redefine the Congress party?
Look, the Congress party is a different kind of body from any other political party in the country, in the sense that it is deeply, fully, intrinsically controlled by the family. In fact, it can get better leaders and family members to run it, but the moment you have a leader other than one from the family, he will be questioned. We saw that happen with Narasimha Rao,
yes,
with Sitaram Kesari.
And that's not changed.
And that's not changed, and that is not going to change. Because among the rest, nobody will ever accept anybody else as the leader, as first among the equals. So the family gives everybody an alibi. So it doesn't matter whether the leader is good or bad from the family, but he or she is from the family. And frankly, Sonia has done very well for the Congress party. So if Rahul Gandhi does decide to take over the party, and if Sonia Gandhi does cede the party to him, I do not believe that there will be anything but a show of enthusiasm from the party. Then we'll see what does Rahul Gandhi do. I mean, does he retain everybody? Does he start cleaning out the older generation? Does he start empowering new people? Then you will see some little commotion. But basically you have to see how committed Rahul is and how much time and energy he wishes to spend on this. He cannot do it in a shoot and scoot manner.
Is this Rahul Gandhi's make or break moment? Like, this is it. He's had one series of disastrous elections. He's gone away. He's come back. This is it. Either he delivers now or he is finished politically.
When he got 22 seats in Uttar Pradesh in 2008 and 9, what was it? Was it a make or break moment? And then suddenly when we lose the 2014 election, suddenly he is all over.
You're down to 44 seats.
Doesn't mean that you blame Rahul Gandhi for it. A. B, as Mr. Gupta said, 5 governments in the center, supported directly by the Congress or headed by the Congress, had no Gandhi as the Prime Minister. 5 governments. So why are you trying to say that it's only a Gandhi who controls everything? No. But the party has faith in the leadership of Gandhis. There is a resonance in us for the historical role they have played in the country and in the party. Fair enough. That's the party's internal confidence in them.
Do you agree with Abhishek Singhvi or not that the timing of his vacation could have been better?
That's Abhishek ji's opinion.
So you believe that the timing was okay?
It's up to him. Nothing stopped the agitation against the
he was not
bill.
part of the agitation.
So what? The Congress president was there. She was leading the,
when Manmohan Singh was being attacked on the coal issue, he was not there to
the
defend
Congress
him.
president was there. The other senior
So
leaders,
he doesn't need
were
to
there.
have any role. So
When
he's essentially redundant.
as the vice president who's taken a break,
Right.
Why are you trying to pull him out of his break? It's a decision he's taken. The party has allowed him to take a break. Oh, he was not there. He was not in that
I'm
agitation.
not sure
He
the
was not
party
on
had
road.
much of a choice.
Well, I would have also preferred if he had written a polite letter to Speaker of Parliament.
He did.
Because he's indicating dates. Indicating dates.
He did. He said, I won't be present in the parliament on these dates.
He should have indicated dates.
He did.
Parliamentary committees meet when Parliament is not in session.
No, but he did write a letter to the speaker, Mr.
Saying that he'll be back on
yes,
this date?
Yes.
He'll be back
No,
on
he
this
didn't
date?
say, because the parliament got over, of course, much before he
the
came.
letter could all-
The letter said that he would not be able to attend the parliament in the first half of the parliament.
No, but
And the second half is already there.
I will repeat myself. Parliament functions not just when Parliament session is on, parliamentary committees, it's the budget session, it's a break between the budget session. Now committees will be hearing demands of various ministries. I am sure Mr. Gandhi is on the on several of those committees. If you are going to be away as an MP for such a long time, you have to have at least the basic courtesy of telling the speaker and telling the citizens of India how long you are going to be away for.
He certainly wrote a letter to the speaker. I don't know whether he mentioned dates or not, but yes.
No, but you know,
Couldn't he have told people,
don't
couldn't he have
you think, Pawan, in these times of transparency, when Obama and Modi and Vijay Singh and many others are on Twitter reporting on every minute of their movements, it's completely
Otherworldly.
and maybe that was the idea,
Different
and
styles,
it's
sir.
completely outdated for a leader
I'm sorry, Shekhar,
to be
this is-
not connected at all.
There are different styles. You came on Twitter so late, I kept requesting you.
He's
Do you
not a
remember?
politician.
No,
No,
and
but
now
I'm
you're
not
on
a
Twitter, of
politician.
course, in Friday.
No, but Twitter
You're
is
on
not the issue.
public life as much as he is. That's not the issue.
Look,
No,
look,
no,
look,
no,
look,
no,
look,
different-
no, no,
they're
no,
different
no, no,
styles.
no,
Respect
no,
to
no,
Shekhar.
I'm
He's
not
not quite
public
the
life,
political figure as
but
Rahul
if
Gandhi.
for 1 week my column does not appear national interest, there's a little thing saying it will come back in 2 weeks.
Sure.
Right? Or
Different styles of leadership. There's different styles of public conduct. You can't impose Modi's style on Rahul Gandhi or Rahul
But
Gandhi's
Modi
style on
doesn't
Modi.
go for 50 days. Modi never goes. That's
No, so why just Modi? If a US congressman or junior congressman disappears for 56 days and the media, his constituents, his voters, his party doesn't know where he is, you think there won't be a hullabaloo?
But why should people not know where he is? You know, what can be so? But why be so secretive?
How does it help?
No, but
how
why,
does it help?
No, how
Give
does
me a
being-
reason why.
How does
it
being
not help?
secret?
People
How
look
does being
upon a
secretive
particular
help?
man as a
He's taking
potential
a break.
ministerial candidate. He has taken a
Vishnu,
break.
I don't
People
understand.
want to know
Why
in
are
an
we
interconnected world
ad
where he is.
nauseam discussing the same issue for the last 2 months? I don't understand the logic behind
Let me
it.
flip one
Why?
moment. Sudhanshu Trivedi, tell me this. Just to take Mr. Khera's point, why are we discussing this ad nauseum? Is it also partly true that despite what you say today, the BJP is still fixated on Rahul Gandhi and the potential threat that he can have for your party? I mean, is that why you keep attacking him? End of the day, you can criticize him, maybe you've got grounds, but you still attack him rather than ignore this issue.
First of all, I would like to say that I do acknowledge the right of any politician to go on sabbatical, to go on leave, because they are also human. If you remember, Atalji used to go on leave frequently every year to Manali. Everybody was going. Several senior leaders of our
And
party
to Goa.
used to
And
go
to
abroad,
Goa.
but everybody
Not
is going
just
15 days, 20 days. Now, but the question is, what Abhishek Singhvi ji is saying, that every time he was very much visible there at the ground. In the last 2 parliaments, how many questions he has raised? He was one of those MPs who has not utilized their MP-led funds. And Rahul Gandhi ji uses to pat his back on the issue of RTI, that it is Mr. Rahul Gandhi who has brought the RTI and brought the new revolution in the country. Now, is it not the right to information of a citizen, of a parliament and of a party worker to know that where he is? Now, of course he can go, but a conspicuous disappearance raises the brow. And whenever he is having such an authority, sometimes he becomes too much active. Yes, of course, as the Congress spokesperson is saying, the 3 cylinders demand in AICC session in Tal Katora, which he could have done by a telephone to the Prime Minister, he was doing openly in front of the workers. And suddenly, he goes disappearing. So, in my opinion, as far as what he can contribute to the country is concerned, I think Congress is at present in its worst phase of 130 years. Not only because of the number of seats, but the matter which is the questioning the authority of their
Ashok Malik wants
the
to come in.
integrity of their leadership,
Ashok Malik
the
wants to come in
sincerity of
before.
their
After that, I'll go across to Dr. Singhvi. Yes.
Look,
So in last line, I would like to say what Shekhar Gupta ji has said, I agree, but there is no option in the Congress. There has to be from Gandhi family. So he will lead the Congress, irrespective of whatever
Ashok,
the
go ahead and Dr.
essentially,
Singhvi
essentially has this introspection changed Rahul at all? There are three tests. One, can he accommodate some of the old guard, some of his mother's loyalists who he wanted to get rid of, including Sheila Dikshit, Amrinder Singh and so on? Second, specifically in the case of Punjab and Amrinder Singh, is he going to back Amrinder Singh, who's a stronger candidate? Or is he going to go with someone like Bajwa, who's not as good a candidate, but someone he favors? The Congress would want to know that, because otherwise it could be a split in the Punjab Congress. Third, he's wanted to go it alone, especially in Bihar last time. This time, the Congress has to tie up, if it wants to be relevant in Bihar, with the JDU, with Lalu and Nitish, and tie up as a very small junior partner. Is he going to do that negotiation, or is he going to leave it to his mother? These are questions which
fighting in the Assam Congress.
Well, yes, that as well. These are questions which his own party is asking, not just us in the media.
Abhishek Singhvi, answer that question, but as you do that, what about the different voices in the Congress? Amrinder Singh saying that you cannot just make a generational change with a knife and then cut them through, you have to gain experience, referring to Rahul Gandhi. Sheila Dikshit saying in the case of Rahul, there is a question mark, there is skepticism because you have not seen him perform as yet. So, you know, your party is also speaking in different voices.
First and foremost, please remember that even when he was physically not here, clearly under his coordination, his directions, his consultation with the Congress president, decisions were taken appointing PCC presidents as many as 4 or 5 states. That happened just 3 weeks ago, apart from several other changes at other party levels, including appointment of national panelists and spokespersons in the media department. Almost 20 such things were done.
So where is the need for Rahul Gandhi in that case?
Can I just answer your question? No. That's I think very facetious. That's very facetious. You assume that he must be physically here every moment, not take a day's holiday. And I repeat, I don't agree with the sadism which Mr. KC Tyagi has inflicted upon himself by not taking a holiday in 40 years. I don't think the current contemporary politicians' approach should be that. Now, according to your theory, Mr. Rahul Gandhi should never go back, because the moment he goes back, everything was stopped.
Dr. Singhvi कह रहे हैं कि आपको छुट्टी लेना चाहिए.
1 minute. I sympathize with his family and also Mr. Tyagi. But leave aside. Let me complete. Secondly, Mr. Rahul Gandhi's persona is of a rights-based entitlement.
Tyagi ji बताइए.
Entitlement.
We have a huge number, not right to
entitlement is a questionable term in the present. Tyagi ji, last word to you. We are running out of time.
Just one last point. You asked about the Amrinder Singh and the other issues. I would rather that the senior leaders do not make comments, but there is absolutely a non-issue. I said storm in the teacup when I started. There is at the moment one president, one vice president.
Storm is
imagining changes, elections, fights, antagonism, difference of opinion.
Right.
When there will be a change, it will be smooth.
Okay.
When there is not a change, you are speculating. So there is no such thing. It's just
so hopefully
nice
it will be
a
smooth.
copy.
Pawan Khera, last question to you.
Yes.
Will we know where he's gone?
Why? How is it relevant? How is it? Let's judge him by his performance now on.
So the answer is no.
Democracy doesn't belong just to the victor who has a 56-inch chest. It also belongs to the opposition. I think it belongs more to the opposition.
So Chappan Chhati versus Chappan Chutti.
Exactly. But let's wait and judge him by his performance. Let's have patience.
We've been waiting for that, sir.
But see, democracy also judges much more harshly somebody who may not have 56-inch chest but who has only 44 MPs. Look.
Okay, Tyagi ji बताइए.
Look, it's a crisis.
Tyagi ji, go ahead.
You can't just go away.
जी सिंघवी जी, आप मेरी बात को गलत समझ रहे हैं. मैं चाहता हूं कि राहुल गांधी एक्टिव होकर के कश्मीर जाएं, जहां पाकिस्तान जिंदाबाद के नारे लग रहे हैं, जहां 1000 किसान मर गए, उनके घर जाएं. मैं उनको क्रिटिसाइज नहीं कर रहा हूं. और जो आपने सवाल किया है, सुधांशु त्रिवेदी जी बैठे हैं. मेरी बहुत अच्छी फैमिली लाइफ है. मेरी पत्नी भी प्रसन्न है, मेरे बच्चे भी प्रसन्न हैं. एंड आई एम लिविंग ए वेरी हैप्पी फैमिली लाइफ. ऐसा नहीं है कि छुट्टी करने से ही आपका परिवार प्रसन्न रहता, लेकिन हम हैं, राजनाथ सिंह,
ये थोड़ी बोला
आडवाणी
आप
जी हैं।
कैसे समझ रहे हैं?
हम डिफरेंट क्लास के लोग हैं।
मैंने ये थोड़ी कहा कि आपकी पारिवारिक जीवन संपन्न नहीं है, मैं बिल्कुल नहीं कहा। मैं तो ये कह रहा हूं कि मैं चाहता हूं कि थोड़ी आप छुट्टी और लें, न कि ये कहें कि दूसरे लोगों को छुट्टी कम लेनी चाहिए। ये कह रहा हूं।
मेरे सुधांशु त्रिवेदी मेरे जमानती हैं। He is my family friend.
Okay, well that's good to know, and I think that's also a note for us to end.
जवाहरलाल नेहरू का एक बड़ा फेमस वाक्य था,
I think it goes beyond just the holidays, but I'd like to thank all of you for joining us. I think the focus now should perhaps be less, I agree, on where Rahul Gandhi had gone and perhaps on what he can now deliver. Thank you all very much for joining us. We're going to take a quick break. Coming up, it's been 31 years since the Indian Army conquered the Siachen Heights, a special report and an interview with the Indian Army's Siachen Base Commander.